Fuck 'em.
All my niggas sell dope, all my niggas gang gang. Where you from, where set you claim? Who your partner, where you hang? Still that on me, I ain't changed. Still grab them chopsticks, go and say wish you disrespect the said I turn your block into a range. Hanging out that window with that stick. Extendos for my clips, nigga. Can't war with no rich, nigga. I drop a rollie on your motherfucking head. Ride on a nigga, it don't matter, blue or red. Blue or red, blue or red, blue or red, blue or red. Ride on a nigga, it don't matter, blue or red. Blue or red, blue or red, blue or red, blue or red. Ride on a nigga, it don't matter, blue or red. Big squad got the best dope. All my niggas cutthroat, banging like the West Coast. Rob him just to stay afloat. Punch him in his face for that motherfucking necklace. Wrong gang sign, we gon' eat him like some breakfast. X that nigga out, another nigga off my checklist. Been rockin' Nikes, can't no motherfucker check this. Hire Brig Squad if you really need protection. My young niggas reckless, they shootin' at detectives. All my niggas sell dope, all my niggas gang bang. Where you from, where set you claim? Who your partner, where you hang? Still that on me, I ain't changed. Still grab them chopsticks, go and say wish you disrespect the said I turn your block into a range. Hanging out that window with that stick. Extendos for my clips, nigga. Can't war with no rich, nigga. I drop a rollie on your motherfucking head. Ride on a nigga, it don't matter, blue or red. Blue or red, blue or red. Ride on a nigga, it don't matter, blue or red. Blue or red, blue or red. Ride on a nigga, it don't matter, blue or red. I'm still screaming fuck cops, shoot it like I'm boss top. Send them boys from old block to come shoot up your whole block. In your building lurking through the halls like a cough drop. Big homie flock, I still call all the shots. Got a gun like RoboCop, will crop you out, no Photoshop. I ain't shooting at no legs, bitch, I'm aiming at the top. And I'm taking all phase, niggas know I love to box. You with this gangster shit or not, we beat his ass and stomp him out. All my niggas sell dope, all my niggas gang bang. Where you from, where set you claim? Who your partner, where you hang? Still that on me, I ain't changed. Still grab them chopsticks, go and say wish you disrespect the said I turn your block into a range. Hanging out that window with that stick. Extendos for my clips, nigga. Can't war with no rich, nigga. I drop a rollie on your motherfucking head. Ride on a nigga, it don't matter, blue or red. Blue or red, blue or red, blue or red, blue or red. Ride on a nigga, it don't matter, blue or red. Blue or red, blue or red, blue or red, blue or red. Ride on a nigga, it don't matter, blue or red.
Only competition that I see in myself. Came on the pride like a motherfucking elf. Changed up the sound, got these niggas thinking left. You don't understand cause you just understood. Read for niggas by the way that they move. Boy, I'm moving up and you niggas can't move. Yeah, I know I rap with a slight attitude, but I'm getting money, fucking rain, still sun.
Yeah, man, shit. When the rest of the squad get the one, it's gonna be over then, cause we got the FG YouTube starting up. Everybody in FG, they just gonna put videos on that channel, and it's gonna be all good. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna be the only the one putting shine on the squad, which it ain't been only just me putting shine on the squad. Well, like as a video aspect, I think I'm like one of the main people looked at. But you know what I'm saying? Check out my nigga Sinatra. Check out I think Monte still doing for FGS Claw. I think he's still doing his video thing. But yeah, check out them too. Check out Smash, FGS Smash. He got his videos popping. He on the one. But yeah, fucking yeah, that's pretty much about it, man. But yeah, I ain't gonna talk y'all ear off, man. It's your boy Mrziplocfrezh, aka 1v1FGxBladed, putting you amigo, fly gang in this bitch, and that's about it, man. I'm out.